Now we are going to complete the exercises of chapter number 1. Chuskit goes to school. Comprehension A. Mark the sentences as true or false. First, Chuskit got up early that morning because it was a Lohar festival. Is it true? No, it is false. Second, the school was very far from Chuskit's home. It is also false. Third, Chuskit went to school every day by bus. It is false क्योंकि वो तो स्कूल ही नहीं जाती थी. Fourth, Abdul was a student of class 6 at the government school. True. Fifth, Abdul offered to help Chuskit go to school. It is also true. Sixth, Memele was unhappy the Chuskit would be able to go to school. It is false. Then next, B. Choose the correct option. First, Chuskit had never been to school because correct option is C. She could not walk. Then second, Abdul was inspired to help Chuskit go to school because he was correct option is a sensitive boy क्योंकि उसे ना चुस्किट की जो हालत थी जो वो स्कूल नहीं जा सकती थी ये सारी चीज़ें उसको समझ में आती थी इसलिए वो कैसा लड़का था एक सेंसिटिव लड़का था. A sensitive boy who had read that all children have a right to education. Then third, even when she got a wheelchair, Chuskit could not go to school at first as correct option is A. The path to the school was too uneven and pebbly and her wheelchair could get stuck. Then C. Read the sentences from the story and answer the questions. First sentence. You can stitch better than any of them and you draw very well. ये किसने कहा था ये उसके पापा ने चुस्किट के पापा ने चुस्किट को कहा था करेक्ट. सो ए who says this and to whom? Answer Abale says to Chuskit. B. Why does the speaker say this? Answer he says this because Chuskit is unable to walk and cannot do many things as easily as other children can. Chuskit चल नहीं सकती थी करेक्ट. तो ऐसे बहुत से काम थे जो बाकी बच्चे इजीली कर लेते थे लेकिन वो चुस्किट नहीं कर पाती थी. दैट्स व्हाई स्पीकर ने ऐसा कहा. देन सेकंड सेंटेंस एंड आई विल बी एबल टू गो वेर एवर आई वॉन्ट. ए हु इज द स्पीकर हियर? आंसर Chuskit is the speaker. Then B. Why is she or he not able to go wherever she or he wants? Answer she is not able to do that because she is unable to walk. Then C. Why will she or he be able to go anywhere now? Answer now she has got a wheelchair in which she can move around easily. Then third sentence. I never dreamed I would see a day like this. He thought to himself as he wiped a tear. A. Who is he? He is Chuskit's grandfather. What is he thinking about? Answer he is thinking that he has never dreamed of a day like this when Chuskit will be able to go to school. Then C. What does this show about his character? Answer it shows that he is a loving and caring person who loves his granddaughter. He was very attached to her. Then D. Answer the question. So first question. How was Chuskit different from her cousins? Answer Chuskit could not walk and do many things which her cousins could. Then second. What did Chuskit often dream of? Chuskit often dreamed of carrying a school bag and even eating a packed lunch. Third question. How did Abdul help Chuskit? Answer Abdul spoke to the headmaster of the school who got all the students and teachers to work on the path to level it and build a small bridge across the stream. क्या किया था अब्दुल ने हेडमास्टर से बात की थी कि वो जो रास्ता है चुस्किट के घर से जो स्कूल तक आता है वहाँ पर क्या करना है लेवलिंग और वहाँ पर स्ट्रीम जहाँ पर है वहाँ पर एक ब्रिज बनाना है. so that Chuskit was able to sit in her wheelchair and reach school to get education like other children. और इससे क्या होगा, चुस्किट अपनी व्हील चेयर लेकर स्कूल आ सकती थी, करेक्ट ना. He was a helpful and caring boy who was sensitive to the needs of the other. इसका मतलब क्या है, वो कैसा लड़का था, एक हेल्पफुल था, करेक्ट, मतलब दूसरे की हेल्प करता था, केयरिंग था, मतलब उसको केयर थी हर लोगों की. Who was sensitive to the needs of the other. What had the village education committee of Mintok Yell done for one of the children who could not walk? Answer. The committee had helped to build a special toilet for one of the children who could not walk. Then fifth question. Do you think Chuskit's grandfather was extremely attached to her? Support your answer with evidence from the story. And answer is yes, he was extremely attached to her. He had tears in his eyes on the day Chuskit was going to school for the first time. He had never dreamed he would get to see a day like this. He was very happy for her. Then question number 6. What do you think would have happened when Chuskit went to school for the first time? How would she have felt when she go back home? उसे कैसा लगा होगा, उसे कैसे ट्रीटमेंट मिली होगी स्कूल में, फिर आने के बाद उसने क्या किया होगा. Let's see. She would have been welcomed by all, would have attended classes, even her packed lunch, and enjoyed the day with other children. She would have felt extremely happy and shared her joy and experience with her family members on getting back home.